MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, RockAuto.com, and State Farm.
Our revolving door of long-term Volkswagens turns to this 2019 Jetta, which has been in our fleet for 2 months with 2,000 miles added to the odometer.
The big thing with this Jetta when it came out was that it's supposedly catered specifically to Americans. And since we're all Americans here at MotorWeek, we can certainly appreciate the extra space inside and the bang for the buck when it comes to tech features. Despite the fabulous MQB architecture, the ride and handling isn't as sporty as it once was, but it's still very competent compared to rivals and really comfortable.
We were happy to see our Jetta was outfitted in R-Line trim, which means blacked out appearance, 17-inch wheels, and upgraded interior. Adding to the sporty platform is a tiny 1.4-liter i4 turbo that is plenty capable, working hand in cog with the 8-speed automatic to deliver 32.2 miles per gallon. Stay tuned for more from our sporty spring with this Volkswagen Jetta.